Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn on joins on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to Roblox app as you see, and you will enter. You will wait a moment until the first page appear to you like this. You have to go to the sign of more like this. Then you will enter to settings. You will enter to privacy and content restrictions. After that, in this page, you will find this window of visibility and private servers. You have to enter to visibility, and then here, as you see, first you will find this sign like no one can see your visibility or online statue or search experience like this, but you have to click here to allow connections and followers and people you follow to see, or you can click here on everyone to turn on joins, and here also you can click on everyone. After that, also you will find share activity updates, and you click here as you see to turn on share activity updates on this page. But keep in mind, if they don't allow you to do this, you have to go back and you will find this first page here. You will click on account info. You will find this page and you have to check your birthday, because if you are under 13 you cannot join some games here, so you have to change your birthday or to correct your real age here. So that's it. That's how you can turn on joins on the application of Roblox, as you see. So if you enjoyed the video, or if this video helped you, just don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.